Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier Rawat from Lexington Company. Today we're going to talk about the difference between interpretation and construction. The definition of a statute is a written expression of the direction or intent or a legislature. A law can be interpreted or constructed to determine its intended meaning. The judicial authorities can define the meaning and objectives of the legislation with the aid of this process of interpretation and construction. Now let's explore their variances. Talking about interpretation, interpretation is a process of ascertaining the true meaning of the word and the purpose of the legislation, whereas construction is the process of using the legal text to draw conclusions that go beyond its plain language to solve inconsistencies. Interpretation may be performed when a certain term or phrase in laws has unambiguous meaning, whereas construction may occur when the language and the meaning attached to specific phrases in the law are unclear and ambiguous. The process of interpretation identifies the methods that can be used to interpret any statute. Construction intends to bring it to a conclusion. Interpretation is used to determine the linguistic meaning of legal text, whereas the legal impact of the legislative text can be ascertained through construction. Ambiguity is removed by interpretation. Construction works to create standards to overcome ambiguity. A legal text can be partially interpreted. It is necessary to complete construction as a whole. Interpretation can be seen as a broad form of construction. Construction is almost like an interpretation in which the words are considered. Now, coming to the conclusion, interpretation and construction are necessary to ensure that every citizen of a nation receives fair justice. The court must be quick to apply the law to the situations. By using interpretation, the court can examine the meaning of the statutes, words, while construction aids is the explanation of the laws. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of interpretation and construction. If not, so then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries, so that I can take up all your doubts and queries regarding this particular session in my next video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.